Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install a HubSpot theme via zip file or marketplace. Whether you're refreshing your website's design or building from scratch, this process will help you quickly integrate professional themes into your HubSpot account. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where we can begin the installation process. Now look to the top right navigation menu. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Marketplace. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on HubSpot Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the themes, templates, and apps available for your HubSpot account. Once you're on the Marketplace page, you'll notice several categories displayed, including popular apps and other resources. On the top side menu, click on Templates. This will direct you to a powerful design page showcasing various customization add-ons. Take a moment to scroll down and read through what these options offer. After you've reviewed the information, click on Themes, located just under the search bar. You'll now be directed to the Themes Marketplace, where the real selection begins. Look at the left side menu and you'll see you can customize your search based on business types, page types, features, and compatibility with your specific HubSpot plan. Tick the boxes that match your preferences to narrow down your options. It's worth noting that most themes here are free, but there are also premium paid versions available if you need more advanced features. Once you've found a theme that suits your needs, click on Install. A pop-up menu will appear presenting the terms and privacy policy. If you agree with these terms, click on the tick box and then select Install for free. The installation will begin immediately. After the installation is complete, you'll have two options. You can either set the downloaded theme as is, keeping all the default settings, or you can customize the settings for minor touches to better align with your brand. Take your time to adjust colors, fonts, or layouts if needed. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click on Save to apply the theme to your HubSpot site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.